You know how in commercials they show your car going up the side of a mountain? Well, we're actually doing it in a Chevy. Chevy, if you'd like to sponsor this video, please get in touch. My business email is in the description. Usually I think these are just for soccer moms, but nope, we're doing the real deal today. Chevy Trailblazer.
What do you have against soccer moms?
Nothing against soccer moms. I just think they could drive more fuel-efficient cars if they're not going to do this. That's why we own this one. Alright guys, after 6 miles of very rocky, washed-out road, we just made it to Marble Pass back there, and we are going to backpack in to Twin Lakes, Oregon. Say what up, Younger G. How was the drive, buddy?
Terrible.
Nice. Take a look at this. I think we're going that way.
That way?
So the intrepid travelers ventured forth into the unknown.
Hey!
As you can see, we are way up high. Way out there is Baker City, Oregon, and quite a view from up here. We just got to make it in to the lake because I guess there's a thunderstorm coming in tonight. So let's get to it. Looks like we've got some rain clouds rolling in. We'll see what the weather's going to look like in a couple hours. Well, since it looks like it's going to rain and baby G's only 3, she's doing great. She's going a little slow. I'm going to hike in and get this tent set up before these guys get in. So that's the goal. See if we can get it done. Why, the thunder just rolls up here on this ridge. Time to get moving. Okay, these lakes, according to my map, are just around the corner on this basin. But it looks like we are correct. There they are. There's Twin Lakes. All right, so pretty much was a straight shot in here. We just gotta go and then bust down this ridge. Is that a camp? Someone down there? Oh, rain's coming down. Raindrops. I'm gonna get hustling. Mountain goat. You see him? I'll stop blocking with my mountain goat. Cool. Oh man, he's just looking majestic as hell right there. Like I'm just mountain goating this up totally right now. Well, rain is straight up coming down right now. I am not gonna make it in time, but that's all right. Left the poncho at home. I was like, I don't need that. Maybe I needed that. My rain is easing up nearly to the lakes. I gotta find a trail down that baby G can do. I think we will set up shop here on the southern end of the lake since we got somebody right here in between the two. Let's see what we can do. All right, I made it. Whew. Let's go find a good campsite. Baby G and Mrs. G way up there. They're coming. More mountain goats. Just you can't barely see with my camera, but it's like a mom and a baby goat. A baby goat. Yet another goat. That's goat number 4. Tent is set up. It is still raining mildly. Just pump some water and I'm gonna make some dinner. It's time to set up the old camp stove and make some warm food. Yeah, it's been raining for probably 2.5 hours now. It's still raining. I'm making some chicken and dumplings. And I'm gonna surprise Mrs. G with some tea.
The lake's glitching!
It does look a little bit like it's glitching out. Yeah, you see that? That's hail. That's how much hail's collecting on my tent. Oh, we're gonna freeze. Hey, Mrs. G, how's it going?
Okay, it's hailing. Hey.
It's super fun, right, Younger G? Yeah. It's a little thunderstorm and some hail, right? We all brought rain ponchos, right? No, baby G, you didn't pack the rain ponchos. You didn't pack the rain ponchos?
Poncho?
Well, we put up a clothesline in the tent, so we'll see how we do. Can you hear that? It's a downpour. Yay. Yeah. That's fun. Don't worry. We brought in 4 bottles of wine, so it's fine. Just do that. You guys probably can't see this, but there's a solid inch of water under the tent, and it looks like a waterbed. Yeah. Yeah, not great. Not ideal. That half of the tent's uphill, so it's not super wet. I put the footprint down, and I did put it inside the tent so that water wouldn't get on the footprint, but it is, yeah. It's been raining for like 3 hours, so. Yep. Waterbed. Yeah, at this point my phone's at 10% because it's so cold, and there's literally a river of water going under the tent.
It's no joke. There's a massive storm out there.
Yeah. You just had to do a potty break, and then you disassembled half the tent on the way out, and then I had to go and repair it, and then I went outside and was like, oh Christ!
Yeah.
It's friggin' the apocalypse out there.
It's no joke.
Yeah. All right, guys, we survived the thunderstorm. It is day 2. Uncle Matt made it in. Hey, baby G. In the middle of the night, in the rainstorm. We hooked up his tent in the middle of the night. He's still alive. We're drying out the whole camp because everything's wet and soaked, and it's supposed to rain more today. So that's fun. All right, it's day 2, and we're hiking to somewhere. I'm just saying hi, Jen. And there's some rain. Maybe it'll miss us. Maybe it won't be a repeat of last night. We'll see. You think we can make Matt go down there and get some snow for everybody's adult beverages later? We'll see. I think this is called Mountain Goat Valley because it's full of mountain goats, but I don't see any mountain goats. Is that a mountain goat? No, it's not a mountain goat. Uncle Matt was lying. Woo. Oh, look at that.
There it goes.
I don't know, you guys think we can climb to the top of this butte? I don't know, let's find out. There's cloud on this side of the ridge, and then on this side of the ridge, blue skies. It is 9,106 feet. That feels high. So what do we got? We got a box up here.
Saddle.
Did a honey?
Someone left candy. That's nice. I'll leave some Pringles. No, those won't stay good. Woo! Success. And look at that view. Just clouds. Clouds, 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 clouds. View. More clouds.
Creek Butte, 9,106 feet, 4,471 feet of prominence. 41st highest Oregon summit and the 6th most prominent peak in Oregon.
So there's a wonderful collection of old IDs in here, guys.
That's weird.
Anybody need a fake ID? Come on up here to the top of this butte. York Sporting Goods, Guns and Tackle, Baker City.
Okay, my name is Caitlin. I'm 15. I love Taco Bell and the color orange. I like a boy named Elijah Livingston. The person I hate the most in my life lives in my house. But anyways, I'm so glad I did this hike. It's the most amazing thing I have ever done. Caitlin Strumka.
Let's hope your parents see this, Caitlin. To give you guys an idea, look at how many letters and notes and things are in this little geocache up here. A ton! Yep, it's wet. It's hailing. But we have a fire, it's a complete gigantic storm. Yeah, there's hail bouncing off my phone. Ow! Ow! So we're using an inflatable. It's like it's like a couch?
An inflatable, floatable couch?
It's a canopy now because we're getting hailed on. And the smoke from this fire is awful because it's raining. This just sucks.
I don't like that.
Oh, this is yeah. Tell me more about this laser.
That's cool.
Yeah, we got a laser.
We got a filter. We gotta go get the filter.
We got like an industrial strength laser here, people.
Turn this off until the filter comes out.
I want to. I want to see non-filtered laser now.
Oh, this is it right here.
All right.
Oh,
Is this gonna cook my hand if I put it right here?
Yeah, my.
I feel like if it cooked my hand, that'd be YouTube views. So if we could make that happen, that'd be great. All right, so we have the splitter thingy, what's it, prism on the laser, but y'all, you can't see it. You can't. Oh wait, there you go. There's some lasers.
Catch him on the tree if you want.
Can you see the laser? That's like I just want to point out that this man brought a laser in a briefcase into the mountains. Like not everybody I know.
And also a jar of capers.
He also. Do you even know what capers are? Because I didn't until this trip.
Sausage.
He did also bring in 3 feet of summer sausage. I'm sorry.
And wine, a mozzarella cheese.
This man's a legend.
Maybe go on.
Nick is a legend, apparently.
If you ever go backpacking into the mountains, you can only hope that you have someone like this in your crew. Infamous. Yeah. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's frying the lens right out of my camera. I love it. Look at that. That's not the cheap laser stuff. That's expensive. Oh my God, my hand, it burns. I'm kidding. It's fine. It's totally fine.
Alright, it's day 3. We are hiking out in the rain. Well, we already did that. And now we're driving out. We're going to get some food. Baker City. And we're done. We're cold. We're wet. We're tired. We need real food. So that's it for this